there's a new prehistoric series coming to Netflix, and they've already hit public libraries here on New York. And with the truth is, I really love this book. Look at it. Life on Our Planet, coming next month.
Come on, I want to return that stuff.
You gotta have a look at these.
Manga also? Do you want to sit on a chair with the stuff and then I'll come back? Okay. Do you want me to come back?
Just give me a minute.
I'll leave this in the car and then I'll go to the market.
Got it.
Come on. I fall asleep. I just need a couch and I fall asleep on it.
It's amazing. These are all the mangas. This is everything this manga has to offer. Well, everything about this show, it's never going to stop evolving. Wow, Lystrosaurus. I love this one. Is that what Earth was like? Amazing. Wow. That was a classic Iguanodon statue. Alright. Guys, if you guys are amped to see the new dinosaur series, and you guys have really huge interest in the new Life on Our Planet series, you guys are free to look at it anytime you want. Because I'm giving that show a 5-star rating, even though I haven't really gotten to see it in action. Anyway, let me know what else is gonna come true. Let me know what else is gonna come to life. Because I've really loved this channel. Anyway, that's all for now, guys. Stegosaurus, see you later.